Apollo 69.
What the fuck? You just want to say, fuck you. Oh, fuck you, fuck you. Fuck you, fuck you. Fuck, 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 fuck you.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more! Where the fuck are your parents? Who are your parents? I'm gonna call Child Protective Services. It's time to stop!
Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Subscribe if you haven't. Like and comment what you want in the future. Let me show you how to create something like that. First open Notepad. This is the format you are going to use. Here type the message description you want. Like your computer has been hacked.
Apollo 69.
Here type the title. The number thing is in the description. Go and check it too. It is important too. Now type some more. And save it as computer.vbs.
3, 2, 1. Apollo 69.
Go to desktop. Here it is. Now cut it and paste somewhere else. And send it to desktop. Rename it. Change the icon. Voila, you are done.
I said I'm moving too far.